This is the interactive Hyperion Galaxy Planetary Map. It will track your travels from planet to planet as you seek out new mysteries. The planet that you crashed on is called Delta Hyperion. It is the only planet that you know of at this point. So Delta Hyperion is your home planet. It's where you crash landed. You quickly realize it has breathable oxygen and a wide variety of plants and animals, though they're very different than what you experience on Earth. You run into a small population of humans that speak a similar language to you, though not the same. However, there's been obvious signs of a previous, more technologically advanced civilization due to the ruins spread all throughout the world. However, the humans that live there know very little about previous civilizations. The three moons that orbit the planet are called Envoth, Thokia, and Ceolia.